guys, we're gonna do quick unpacking of these female shoes, Timberland. It's like that. I bought it from Amazon. See? So it's like this. Would you like me to try them and to tell you how it is, how it feels like? Well, I hope they're originals. Inside, actually, I think it's real because it smells leather, yes? Here we got more figures. And it looks like this, waterproof. So let's try them on, no? So guys, I'm gonna try them with such thick socks, and they're very duro. See? And this is of course because it's Christmas soon, yes? From the first glance, comodo, comfortable. Yes guys, this is how they look like. Of course, it's not the same like as my Axe. This Axe, por cierto, ya 10 years old. Like tapačки, ¿sabes? Very soft. These are not soft, but with these socks it's okay. Here I put until the end, and here I put one less. And so this one of course más cómodo. Lo que quería también comentar, pedido 41 y está bien 41. Like all the other shoes, winter shoes that I order normally, it's also 41. Well, in European size. But of course I could also do maybe medium size less, because if we consider that the socks are very thick. But you know, normally when you're going out in a cold, it shouldn't be a very thin sock, no? So anyways guys, that was this unboxing of my Timberland Bestellung. Tell me what you think, if you have any experience, if it's really waterproof or not. And see you in the next video. Bye.